Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about hereditary question number 171. Excel sheet column number. Given a string column title that represents the column title as appears in the Excel sheet. Return its corresponding column value. Okay, we are going to return the corresponding column value, column number for column title. Fine. Let us see some examples so that more clear. See here, this is the first example. A means 1, B means 2, C means 3, and Z means 26. Then after completing this 26 alphabet characters, we want to move to AA, then AB, then AC to AZ. So from A to Z, it is 26. Again, from AA to AZ, it will be again 26. Then BA to BZ, it will be again 26. So this is our observation. Fine. See here, column title is A, then it will be 1. If column title is AB, which means, see here, it is 28. So 28. If ZY, it is like 701. Fine. So let us take an example like VA, or we can take BB. Fine. Now see here, what it represents. It represents like, first of all, from A to Z, it completed. So 26. Then again, it comes from where? From AA to AZ, again completed 126 times. Right? Again, it entered to BA and PB, which means what? 2. So that's why we are getting what? 54. Can you understand this? Okay. Now, without thinking like this, can we think like here it is B, so it's like we have just traversed first A to B, first A then B, so it will be 2. Now here this B, which means I completed 26, again 26, then I entered, so it means 26 into 2 plus 2, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 54. Okay, let us take a bigger value, S. Now, what is this answer? It will be 1 plus, here it will be what? 26, because 26 into 1 plus, here it will be what? 26 into 26 into 2. 26 into 26 into 2. Because when we are going here, it will be completed exactly 26 into 26 times, right? For A, it is 26. Then for B, it will be 2 into 26. Like that, for 26 alphabet characters, it will be 26 into 26. That's why it is what? 26 into 26 into 2. Can you understand the pattern? It is like binary values. Yes? Okay. So for this XY, ZY, it will be like ZY. So what is the Y's value? Y's value will be 25 or SS, 25. Now here it comes like 26 into, again what? 26. Yes, because 26th element is Z, right? So let me calculate it. So if I calculate, what I will get? 26 into 26 plus 25. It will be 702. 702. Okay. So 701 will be the answer. Fine. So this is how we want to calculate. Now hope you understand this. Let us see the code. See here. First of all, I'm transferring in reverse because we are taking from right to left. Okay. Then result plus is equal to order of C of I minus 64. Why? Because A means 1, B means 2, C means 3. So what is the ASCII value of A? It is 65. Capital A is 65. So 64 will be minus such that 65 minus 64 it will be 1. 66 minus 64 it will be 2. Like that. Now 26 into power of 26 comma val. Why? First of all, the val will be 0 such that it will be counted as into 1. Then it will be into 2. Then 3. Then 4. 26 power 0, 26 power 1, 26 power 2. That's what we have seen here, right? See here, if I have something like here 1, here 1, here 1, here 1, 4 characters, here I will multiply with 1. Here I will multiply with 26. Here I will multiply with 26 square. Here I will multiply with 26 cube. Again, 26 power 4, like that. That's why I used what? Power. Now, val plus equal to 1 and I will return the result. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Now, it's time to see the time and space constraint. What is time constraint and space constraint? I can say time constraint will be O of n because we are traversing this string only one time and space constraint will be O of 1. So this is my time and space constraint. Thank you.